Guys, how are you? Today I'm going to present my presentation on EE Office's for continuous improvement section. So I'm starting with the benefits of consistent improvement cycle, and like as you see on this slide, there are many benefits of consistent improvement cycle. So for example, it strengthens significance and treated all people at EE offices very indisciplined part, and it helps like how we can formalizes our approach and how we can make it more stronger. It also instructs all the individual like that framework is very fundamental, and how all the offices maintain the businesses, and it all shows that how all you guys also work. Next we come with the continuous improvement models, and so there are two popular continuous improvement models. Starting with the first one, it is a PDCA. PDCA is a four-step process which include plan, do, check, and act. So plan includes identify all the changes and like how they're gonna set up the things and how they're gonna plan up the things, and then after that they implement that changes, that how they're gonna act on them. So that comes in a do section. Third section comes with the check, in which they use any information which is accessible, and they will show that how they will examine that how after and effect of the progress are there. Act is the last fourth step, which include like what are the outcome, is the outcome were effective and they actualize it more extensive scale. And and second model, which is the continuous improvement model, it comes with TQM, which is also known as total quality management. It also known as complete beneficial support. So in this process, in this model, all individuals from association, they all take interest that how they could improve the cycle, how they could improve the items administrations, and how they can change the way they work in an organization. And then as you see on the slide, there are many different tools that can be used for continuous improvement. For example, we can use flow charting, we can use mapping, we can use cause and effect analysis. There are many other tools which are like surveys, continuous improvement plans, and online questionnaires, the feedback, which could also help. For example, if we get the feedback, depending on the feedback, we get positive or negative, we can improve our strategies, like how do we work. And then there are many strategies which could encourage our staff, like how they can participate in continuous improvement. So for example, if we celebrate their innovations and we reward their improvements, and if we promote creative work environment, and if we give them public recognition, all this point could eventually help the staff member to build their interest, and we can encourage them to participate in our continuous improvement section. Then there is a different process that how we can like communicate in the continuous improvement process. If we made any changes, how we can communicate with among all our team members. So we can communicate through emails and newsletters, announcement papers. There could be conference meetings. There is a tool which is known as Yammer. Yammer is a social networking tool which could openly connect and engage more people and more organizations together. So as I told you, like there is a feedback process which could be used for continuous improvement section. So there are many ways by which we can collect feedback so that we can improve and inform our continuous improvement. So there are online survey suggestion boards, and we can also organize workshops which could include different ideas. For example, there can be a workshop on a professional training section, and there could be performance evaluation also, and we can also get feedback through different reviews and evaluation. And net promoter scoreboard is another way which could be used to collect the feedback. So next step is there are many ongoing mentoring and coaching processes which could be used like to ensure to check that staff is eventually able to implement and support the process. So we can develop our and make our staff stronger through one-to-one training, and we can arrange some webinars, and we can also encourage teamwork. So in one-to-one training section is actually a cycle which assists all the workers, all the different employees to improve their abilities, including their pretend exercises, testing, survey answering, so that could all indirectly mentor them and coach them so that they could better implement their progress in continuous improvement process. Next is there are many strategies which could ensure continuous improvement is in our sustainability. Although in continuous improvement could be in sustainability if we could implement some points. For example, if we could waste treatment could be done, and if there is a green purchasing, if we could start green office program, if we encourage carpooling within people, or we could start a purchase creation policy, they all could try to help sustainability targets. So there are many knowledge management strategies also. So first of all, as we all know, mentoring is a way of knowledge sharing. So we can set goals and measurements in which all the management and all the individual could achieve their targets, and we can analyze also, which is a part of knowledge management strategy. We can communicate across all organizations, which allows good ideas to be exchanged, and otherwise they would be unaware of each other. Yeah. Next is the how we could last come with how we could improve our customer service. So we can improve our customer service through understanding customer needs and seeking promoter feedback, set or we communicate clear and service standards. We can even personalize our customer service. We can create easy and effortless customer service. So these are some ideas we could improve our customer service. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you're most welcome. Thank you.